Now, creating new content to increase your search traffic is really easy if you follow the process I'm about to show you. Ultimately, we want to create content that is not only easy to rank, but also brings a consistent stream of buyers and leads. Focusing on that type of content is the quickest way to grow your business with search traffic. Now, all of that starts with keyword research, and it's no secret that my favorite keyword research strategy of all time is just to look at what is working for your competitors and then see how that aligns to your own business activities. You can download a free copy of my intelligent spreadsheets that will help you to find all of the easiest to rank for keywords in your niche based on what is working for your competitors right now. Then all you have to do is select the most commercially relevant keywords and start creating content using the template I'm about to share with you. Now, when it comes to content creation for SEO, there is a few shortcuts I want to share with you that will help you to create perfectly optimized content every time. First of all, you should adopt a writing style that is short and punchy, only uses 2 or 3 sentences per paragraph, uses bullet points, headers and subheaders to improve readability. If you do those things, your content will be easy to digest. And if you need help with any of that, you can take a look at my tutorial that shows you how to create killer content. Now, my team uses Surfer's content editor to create perfectly optimized content. All you have to do is enter your target keyword and Surfer will start analyzing the top ranking results in Google to create a writing plan for your team to follow. It tells you how many words you need to write, which phrases to include, and how often, along with recommendations on titles, headings, questions, and topics. Don't forget when creating new content to add an FAQ section and also try and steal the featured snippet, just like I showed you how to do when optimizing existing content. Oh, and don't forget to sprinkle in a couple of tricks from my SEO copywriting tutorial to keep things interesting. And if producing content is a major obstacle for you, I suggest you check out my 90-day SEO course, which shares my processes to hire, train and manage writers, along with all of the templates and tools we use to produce hundreds of thousands of words per week for our clients. The course also includes all of our SEO processes, which you can follow or use to train your team or to increase your own search traffic. But remember, first you should update your existing content to make sure it's still accurate. Add a table of contents, FAQ section, and try to steal the featured snippet. Then, once you've updated all your existing content, you should focus on creating new content targeting the opportunities you found using my free keyword research spreadsheet. You can find a link for that on my blog or in the description of this video. But remember, don't spend time creating new content if you haven't first updated all of your existing content to squeeze as much search traffic out of them as possible.